History is rarely kind to nations that attempt to solve profound demographic shifts through the blunt instrument of legal revisionism. Today, the debate over birthright citizenship is not merely a dispute over immigration, it's a fundamental tremor in the bedrock of the American Republic. To tinker with the 14th Amendment is to gamble with the very definition of what constitutes a coherent global power. Representative Randy Fine and the current executive maneuvers in Trump v. Barbara represent a reactionary impulse. We are witnessing a dangerous transition from a nation of laws to a nation of demographic anxieties. The 14th Amendment was never a reward for entry, it was a structural imperative to ensure that the United States did not devolve into a fractured collection of permanent outcasts, a recipe for internal instability that no superpower can afford. While the ACLU clings to the past and the executive branch pursues Executive Order 41460, the underlying reality remains unaddressed. A nation that cannot secure its border is failing its primary duty. From a geopolitical standpoint, this is a pure incoherence. It signals to the world not strength, but a profound internal identity crisis. The Supreme Court's current skepticism is well-founded. You cannot cure the symptom of the failed immigration policy by amputating a core tenet of the Constitution. To do is to trade a long-term constitutional certainty for a short-term populist anesthetic. Americans' primacy depends on its ability to integrate, not isolate.